Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Kamusta kayo? Kahit sa maliit na aral ba ay may napupulot tayong kaalaman, lalo na sa mga current events o nangyayari sa panahon natin ngayon na siyang nakasaad na sa Biblia bago pa man ito mangyari? At ito ay nagsisignal na malapit nang bumalik ang Panginoon dahil ang mga propesiyang ito na pagkukumahog na ng mga lumalaban sa Diyos para mas marami pa silang malinlang na tao na makasama sa kaparusahan ng Diyos sa mga inilaglag na anghel sa langit kasama si Satanas, ay kitang-kita na natin ang maraming paraan para ihanda na nila ang pagbasag sa batas at mga salita ng Diyos. Ating pag-uusapan ngayon ay una ang pag-uugnay natin kung bakit nila isinasagawa ang dalawang uri ng assassination o mga isinagawa na nila noon para ito ay mag-viral sa buong mundo. Ang dalawang pangyayaring ito at kapag nakumbinsi nila ang mga tao sa buong mundo gamit ang media para mas lalong tanggapin nila ang Mark of the Beast. Tunghayan muna natin ang unang kaganapan ng assassination kay President Trump ng Amerika bago mangyari na muli siyang ihalal na presidente.
If you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened. So we got to move to the bus. Let me get my...
Okay, actually, go.
Watch out. Wait.
Kung ating mamatyagan ang pangyayaring ito, kung ito ba ay drama lang o tunay, na mayroon ba talagang nagtangka sa kanyang buhay. Tandaan natin na ang ginawang pangyayari sa ginanap na ito ay assassination. Dahil sa ginawang ito ay tunay na nag-viral sa buong mundo ang estilong ito nang siya pa ay nangangandidato sa tulong ng mga pinakamayayamang namumuno sa buong mundo na nagagawa nila ang gusto nilang mangyari. Nang nanalo na at naihalal na bilang presidente sa buong Amerika si Donald Trump, ating naman tunghayan ang kanyang mga adhikain mula pa man noong una hanggang sa kasalukuyan at sa darating na mga mangyayari na nakaugnay sa sinasabi ng propesiya ng Biblia.
I believe in God. I am Christian.
I'm a Protestant. I'm very proud of it. Presbyterian to be exact. I'm Presbyterian. Boy, that's down the middle of the road, folks, in all fairness. I mean, Seventh-day Adventist, I don't know about.
I have great relationship with God. I have great relationship with the evangelicals. And I go to church a lot. Always on Christmas, always on Easter, always when there's a major occasion. And during the Sundays, I'm a Sunday church person.
We all deserve the White House. The White House is special. We're bringing back religion in our country, and we're bringing it back quickly and strongly.
Revelation chapter 13, 11-12. At nakita ko ang ibang hayop na umaahon sa lupa at may dalawang sungay na katulad ng isa sa isang kordero at siya'y nagsasalitang gaya ng dragon at kanyang isinasagawa ang buong kapamahalaan ng unang hayop sa kanyang paningin at pinasasamba niya ang buong lupa at ang nangananahan dito sa unang hayop na gumaling ang sugat na ikamamatay. Ngayon, tunghayan naman natin ang isinusulong ng taong nag-viral sa buong Amerika, maging sa buong mundo, sa kasalukuyang taon natin ngayon na si Charlie Kirk patungkol sa iprinopromote niyang Sabat. Bago din maganap ang katulad na estilo sa dating pinangyari nila na assassination kay Donald Trump na ginawa din sa famous na si Charlie Kirk. Kaya ito ay nag-trending at nag-viral din sa buong mundo.
I could talk about this from many different dimensions, what it's meant for me personally, what it means on the macro, I also go to churches across the country. I speak at hundreds of churches of all different denominations. And I will challenge the Christian church because I believe this is the most ignored commandment of the Decalogue to our own detriment. And I will go a step further and then I'll stop talking because I know we have a whole program.
No, it's fine.
Which is that I believe that honoring the Sabbath is the commandment that allows you to honor the other 9 commandments, and that the enemy has gone after the honoring the Sabbath because then it is easier to weaken the other 9. And I'll prove it to you. If you're honoring the Sabbath, it's definitionally easier to honor your mother and father because you're not working that day and you're with family. If you're honoring the Sabbath, it's easier not to covet your neighbor's wife because you're not around your neighbor's wife, you're with your family. And you're filled with gratitude that day. When you're honoring the Sabbath, it's easier to have no other gods before God because that day is built in time.
Ayon kay Charlie Kirk na nag-viral sa buong mundo, ay nagsisimba din daw siya maging sa labas ng kanyang bansa at nag-i-speaker o nagsasalita na halos sa 100 o 100 na simbahan na iba't ibang denomination o iba't ibang sekta ng relihiyon. Kaya't i-challenge niya daw ang lahat ng tao sa lahat ng buong Christian world o sa buong mundong Christian na mangilin na rin daw ng araw ng Sabat. Ngunit ang kilalang Sabat naman ng buong Kristyanismo sa buong mundo ay Sunday o Linggo na hindi nakatala sa Biblia at nasanay na ang maraming tao sa pagsisimba tuwing araw ng Linggo o Sunday church attendance na siyang inilaban sa tunay na Sabadong Sabat ng Diyos na ipinahayag ni Jesus at ipinahayag din ng Diyos mula pa man ng likhain niya ang buong langit at lupa. At ito ay nakakonekta sa propesiya na tinutukoy sa Revelation chapter 13 na Mark of the Beast o marka ni Satanas na inilaban sa marka ng Diyos na araw ng Sabado o tunay na Sabat ng Diyos na kanyang tanda.
Way I can start to get my mind to figure out where they've arrested me. Let's go.
Wow, look at that.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Oh, that's awfully heretical, but okay.
Well, I heard you kept saying my name, so I wanted to show up. You know,
Okay.
I'm busy trying to save the planet from this apocalypse going on. You know what I mean? Jesus H. Christ, but you can just call me Josh. All right, why don't you ask me the questions? I'm sure you have plenty of them.
Okay, what's the Hebrew word for father?
Man, let me tell you something. Abba.
I'm sorry?
Abba.
That's the Greek word for father.
Yeah, Greek, whatever. Point I'm trying to say is this,
Yeah,
man.
you don't even make a good Jesus.
Whatever.
What language did Jesus speak?
Aramaic.
Okay, tell me one thing
But
in
you have
Aramaic.
to understand, man, I have to come here to speak to you now. You don't speak Aramaic, otherwise you and me would be speaking Aramaic.
Oh, okay,
I have to
right.
speak this kind of dumbed down stuff for
The
you.
enemy has come to lie, steal, cheat, and destroy. What did Jesus say?
I said love your neighbor.
Wrong. The
And
enemy
how
has
is that
come to- hold
working
on.
out, by the way?
enemy has come to lie,
I'm pretty sure
steal...
I said love
hold on,
your
hold on a
neighbor,
second. You're not
love
even a good
God,
Jesus. It's one of the most.
and love
It's one of the
yourself.
most popular verses in the Bible. John 10:10. The enemy has come
I
to
didn't
lie,
write the
steal, cheat, and
Bible.
destroy.
Who wrote that thing anyways?
I have
I did
come
not
to
write
give
the
life and
Bible.
life more abundantly. Okay.
Charlie Kirk was fatally shot on September 10, 2025, at Utah Valley University from a rooftop over 100 yards away.
Pagkatapos ng pangyayaring ito ay nagpunta agad ang presidente ng Amerika na si Donald Trump upang makiramay at pagkatapos ng ilang mga araw ay isinusulong na ng buong Amerika sa pangunguna ng presidente at ng matataas na tao rito ang pangingilin daw ng Christian Sabbath na pagsisimba ng araw ng linggo o Sunday church attendance na ibabalik daw nila sa buong Amerika at ipahayag din nila sa buong mundo na kung hindi daw makikiisa ang isang tao ay magiging kalaban daw siya ng mga taong naninirahan sa bawat bansang isa sa batas ang tinatawag na Christian Sabbath.
Charlie has been reunited with his Creator in heaven. His voice on earth will echo through the generations. He was violently killed because he spoke for freedom and justice, for God and country, for reason and for common sense. He was assassinated because he lived bravely. The lesson of Charlie's life is that you should never underestimate what one person can do. To fight, fight, fight. Have to fight. We're saving our country. And Charlie's a big factor, such a big factor. Charlie Kirk started with only an idea to change minds to kneeling at the throne of God where he is right now.